Many attempts have been made to use two guns on one proportioner, but not without complications. Yes, splitting our hoses is a risk, but Boss Spray Technologies has the solution. Boss designed and patented a fluid block with pressure-balanced cartridges which works with original factory-equipped pressure transducers. Boss has designed the position of our pressure-balanced cartridges to align directly with factory-equipped pressure transducers in the fluid block. When a downstream restriction is present, the increased pressure influences back to the fluid block and must pass in front of the equipped pressure transducers, triggering an off-ratio alarm and proportioner shutdown. Boss also includes an independent hose heat box transformer and temperature controller. Enjoy lower capital costs of adding a second spray gun without purchasing a second proportioner, 2 additional barrel pumps, larger compressor, a larger gen set, and a larger, higher GVW box truck or trailer.